Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your YouTube channel for affiliate-friendly content, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current channel content. Review your existing videos for any that may not align with affiliate marketing guidelines. Identify videos that may have promotional content that could be deemed misleading. Create a list of potential changes or updates needed for each video. Adjust video titles and descriptions to include relevant keywords. Ensure all affiliate links you provide are transparent and clearly disclosed. Update your channel banner and profile picture to reflect a more professional look. Consider creating a dedicated playlist for affiliate content. Research and select affiliate programs that fit your niche and audience. Make sure to include a disclaimer in your video descriptions about affiliate links. Review your video thumbnails to ensure they are eye-catching and informative. Edit older videos to improve the quality of visuals and audio if necessary. Add value to your content by offering unique insights about products or services you promote. Use high-quality images or B-roll footage when discussing products. Engage with your audience by encouraging comments and questions on your affiliate-related content. Monitor the performance of your updated videos to gauge audience response. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant to current trends. Stay informed about the rules and regulations surrounding affiliate marketing on YouTube. Consider creating a separate video series focusing exclusively on product reviews or recommendations. Utilize social media to promote your affiliate-friendly content effectively. Continuously learn from viewer feedback to refine your approach. Maintain authenticity and integrity while promoting products to build trust with your audience. Lastly, evaluate your channel's overall niche and ensure that it aligns with your affiliate marketing goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.